Welcome back, everybody. Got The Last of Us 2 Part 2 Ellie Edition. Just cutting open the box now. Got a little game slip in there. Looks like it's a box within a box. Whoa. Fairly heavy box to get out, so just comes out tonight. Just some plastic right there, and wow, there it is. Last of Us 2 Ellie edition, nice little embossed frame there. Here's the back, and on the top it just says Ellie edition. I'm gonna cut open the top here. Just a black insert in here in the top. Fold this down. Slide that out. Oof. Now it's a half box here. Nothing really going on any of the sides. Lifts up for just above the part 2. And there you go from the top. You can see, look at that, the hardcover edition, the steelbook cover. Looks like Faces of Ellie on the side there. And the other one is an art book. And what is this? I'm not really sure what this one is or how to even open it. Let's put that down. An art book. Nothing else in the top half. Here we got a set of pins, Last of Us pins. Looks like some tattoos and stickers and a necklace. That's pretty interesting. And this looks like a whole nother section that comes off. It's got its own little tape. Cut that off. Oh, this is the book bag. Oh, so this is the extra little edition from the standard edition. This would be Ellie's book bag. That's pretty cool. Full-size bag. Oh, look at that. See, we got some of the emblems on there. That is really interesting. That right there for now. Here's another piece. Oh, that's beautiful. What is this? A patch. And The Last of Us music from the video game. So this is the music disc. Wow. This one comes with a lot. We've got the pin set. Then we get the music edition, another patch, and we still have more to go. There's another box inside of here. That enters the main box. This just has some plastic inlay in top. Assuming this is yet a statue. Wow, this statue's got some significant size to it. And there we go. It's Ellie playing the guitar. Pretty good detail in there. Just a little bass, Last of Us statue. And then I'll just kind of rotate it. Really good detail in the arm. Got a nice machete there. Silver. Some rebar sticking out. There's a backpack with the same looking pins. Same looking everything. Some more rebar on that side. Just for comparison's sake, I'll grab the statue from the first edition, post-pandemic edition for size sake. You can see, wow, Ellie's much bigger. The statue itself is about the same height, but the character's obviously much larger. Great addition, great game. Looking forward to playing it. Thanks for watching. Bye.